story about when your elephant gets the sniffles. And I'm joined by my friend, Big Al, who you can see is blue, just like the elephant on the cover of our book. When your elephant has the sniffles. Sniff, sniff, sniffle. Uh-oh, does your elephant have the sniffles? When your elephant has the sniffles, you must take good care of him. Elephant sniffles can be quite serious, and you don't want your elephant to start sneezing. Put him to bed, even if he tells you he's just fine. If there's anything in the room that might make him sneeze, hide it. Then prop him up with lots of pillows and cover him with plenty of blankets. Bring him his favorite stuffed animal to snuggle with. At first, your elephant might not mind being tucked into bed. He might want another pillow. He might want to ask for his trucks. He then might want you to bring him an ice pop. But after a while, he will get bored. So you will have to think of fun things to do. After all those fun things, you can make shadow puppets. Remember, rest is very important, and you do not want elephants to start sneezing. By now, your elephant will be thirsty. Bring him lots of liquids because those are important for fighting the sniffles. And you do not, under any circumstances, want your elephant to start sneezing. After the drinks, your elephant will probably announce that he's had quite enough and he's getting up. Distract him by dressing up and singing a song. But be careful what props you use. See, this one has feathers. It might make him sneeze. Because after your hard work, his nose might begin to itch and twitch and chew! Oh dear, when your elephant has the sniffles, you just might end up with them too.